Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is very important topic, which is helpful for the school or college exams as well as for competitive exams, because it is in the syllabus of JKSSRB for so many posts. That is writing dialogue. Dialogue is known to you that dialogue means die means two, and log means conversation. Dialogue means conversation between two persons. When there will be the conversation between two persons, we can say that this is dialogue. For example, there the two persons, they are making the conversation with each other. That is called a dialogue. But in your examination, there is dialogue writing. How to write the dialogue? In case of descriptive, you have to write the dialogue. What is the format of writing dialogue? And in case of competitive exams like JKSSRB, there you have been asked the MCQs. How to write the dialogue? What are steps in writing the dialogue? You cannot see these things upon most of the books which I have collected from so many books, from so many material. I have collected this. What I am going to say? Yes. First of all, I told you that what is meant by dialogue. Yes. First of all, I will show you that how to write the dialogue, so that there will come the concept in your mind. Yes. For example, this is a dialogue. This is the dialogue. Johnny and Yessie, two friends, write a conversation between the two friends talking about what they are going to do next week. Yani ki there is dialogue between two friends, and they have to go somewhere next week, and they are making the conversation, or I told you the dialogue. First of all, this is the dialogue. This is the way how to write the dialogue. Now you will yourself see. First of all, what you have to do, conversation between two friends. If in descriptive there have been given the two friends, you can write any name, A, B, C, or Bashir, Rashid, Leela, Peter, anything. In case of objective, they will say you between how many persons dialogue is done. 2, 3, 1, 5, so many, 2. I already told you. How to write the dialogue? First of all, you have to write the two persons, the name of the two persons, whoever they may be. And after writing the name of the two persons, you have to make these two dots like this. They are necessary, they are compulsory. This is the structure. Then you have to start the dialogue as we make in our daily life, as we make the conversations. Otherwise we do this, but we are not familiar. For example, if we see a person, first of all, we will make him goodbye. Good morning, good afternoon, how are you? Oh, my dear. That is hello. First of all, we will start with these words. And you have to remember that if the dialogue will be between elders and youngers, there it is necessary that the youngers will respect the elders. For example, the dialogue may be between teacher and student. The student has to use the formal language. Between father and son, daughter, son or daughter, they have to use the formal language. You have to keep this in mind, because with teacher you cannot say hello sir. No. You can say good morning sir. Sir, how are you? Is it clear? Yes. For example, there is now dialogue between two friends. Jesse, great. Jim, how are you? Johnny. Fine, thanks. Do you have any plans for next week? And they start the conversation. You have to see that how to start as we start the conversation in our daily life. In the same way. But only the structure is that you have to mention the name of the two characters, of the two persons who are making the conversation. You see, yes, I am going to anywhere. I am quite excited. That is, he has planned to go somewhere and now he is excited. Johnny, oh, that is interesting. How they make the conversation. What are you going to stay? Yes, you see, I am going to stay at my house. He says that I will not go anywhere. I will stay at my house. Johnny, cool. Is it your first time in Hokonyo? Yes, no, it isn't. I have been there many times. This is how the dialogue starts between these two persons. You can see yourself. The length of the dialogue depends. Maybe if they have written there in the examination how many words there should be, you will pick those words, or it can be as much as time you have, but not too long, because the examiner will become bored then. This is how to make the dialogue. Now there are some steps for making the dialogue. I already told you that there on the books there is not present anything, but I have tried here and there for you. But once again I say that I am working hard for you for descriptive exams as well as for competitive exams. But what you have to do, please share my channel more and more and subscribe, and please write the comments, write the feedback. Feedback is necessary. Tips to create better dialogue, yani how you will create better dialogue, which pointers you will do and what you have not to do. First of all, 5 positive pointers and 5 negative pointers. Number 1, show readers your character's personality. Those who will read your text, they should come to know your character, your personality. They judge you. Because whatever we write, directly or indirectly will reflect their our life. What you have not to do, every character sound is the same. Whatever character you will write, you have not to repeat the same. No, you have not to make a repetition. Make your characters feel more real and genuine. That is, whatever you will say, that should be real. That should deal with your real life. That should be genuine. Too much detail in the narrative. Don't make too much detail. The conversation should be very short. Very short, to the point. One line. Help with the flow of your story. Your story should flow from sequence. For example, if you have to say something about me, you have to say first of all from up to low or low to up. Here, forehead, nose, lips, chin, throat. In the same way, using perfect grammar. It is not necessary. It is not necessary to use perfect grammar in case of conversation or in case of dialogue. Because the main function of dialogue or of any conversation is to say the message, to say the information that should be conveyed to another person. Grammar is not necessary here. They will not check the grammar. You can say, you can make the conversation. I had, no, I had not, I have, no, I have not, I was, no, you had not to do this. You can not focus upon the grammar. You have to focus upon the ideas. Move the plot of your story forward. I already told you that there should be the proper plot, proper sequence. Dialogue tag is that interfere with the flow. That is, you have not to stop the dialogue in between. At the action of the story, make dialogue too real. I already told you that you have to make real, but not 100%. Not 100%. Some more tips. I already told you them, but still I will repeat. I told you that I have found here and there. Learn how to format speech. First of all, you have to learn how to form the speech, how to make the speech, how to make the conversation. You have to make the pause. Pause is compulsory. Punctuation is compulsory. I have told you probably in case of punctuation that, for example, I can say, because if you will not make the pause, if you will not make the proper use of the punctuation, that may not give the correct information, the correct message. For example, stand up. Don't sit down. This is one sentence, and I will write the same words: stand up, don't sit down. If you will see that I have repeated the same words, but you have to remember, for example, here is the comma, and here I have shifted the comma from here to this. It has changed this meaning. Stand up, don't sit down, and you have not to sit down. Here, stand up, don't sit down, yani be in the down position. This is the meaning has been changed. This is what he says, that make the proper use of the pause. Pause is compulsory. Limiting good examples. Don't give so many examples in case of conversation, in case of dialogue. Don't make too many times thank us, okay, bye. Don't, you have to write, but not too much. Keep it relevant. I already told you that it should be relevant. Don't go here and there. Show the character. You have to write the name of the characters. I already told you. Deepen your setting. Yani you have to set whatever you are saying. In short, there is another dialogue. You can see now I think that you are able to understand how to write the dialogue. I have already depicted you one example. Now there is another. For example, this dialogue is between once again two friends. That is a dialogue between two friends about email. The dialogue is about two friends and they are making the conversation dialogue upon the email. I already told you that first of all you have to write the name. Try to do one thing. Try to make these pointers in the same line. Try. It is better. For example, Susan, what is meant by email? Because they are friends, they can say hello, how are you, good morning, good afternoon. It is not because they are of equal rank, they can do this. Vakib. Obviously, electronic mail. Susan, because you know it, obvious. Otherwise, it is not that obvious. And he or she says that it is known to you, so you know, but I didn't know. You can take it a screenshot also, and the conversation status. This is a conversation, this is a dialogue between these two. Now you can see yourself. There are so many examples upon the books, you can see also from them. But I have already told you the structure. My work was to show you the structure. I have shown you the structure. I hope that you have understood. Still, if you have any doubt about this dialogue, please send in feedback. Please write in comment section, and please share my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Okay, bye.